come to the exercise 7.1. How we write these write the answer of this question, that is important. हम इन आंसर्स को किस तरीके से लिखें वो important है, ठीक है. So let us read the question. In a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. AC is equal to AD. Mark it. AC is equal to AD. This side is equal to this side, and AB bisect. Bisect means divide in two equal part. AB means this line AB bisect angle A. This complete angle A. This line AB is bisect this complete angle A in two equal part, means two equal part bisect means two equal part. Then show that triangle ABC congruent. This is the sign of congruence. Congruence sign है. Then show that triangle ABC congruent with triangle BCD. So we have to show this triangle will congruent to this side, this triangle. So इन क्वेश्चंस में क्या करना है, हमें जिन ट्राइंगल्स को हमको कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो करना है उन्हें लिख लो. सबसे पहले राइट डाउन द ट्राइंगल्स. ट्राइंगल ए बी सी एंड ट्राइंगल ए बी डी. अब साइड और एंगल ऑफ दिस साइड ट्राइंगल विल राइट ऑन दिस साइड, एंड द साइड और एंगल of this triangle will write on this side. So let us take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. ABC. Triangle this side AC. The side of this triangle AC is equal to the side of this triangle AD. इस ट्राइंगल की साइड AC इस तरफ लिख लिया. इस ट्राइंगल की साइड AD के इक्वल है. दिस इज S. S मीन्स साइड आर, वन साइड आर इक्वल, एंड दिस एंगल विल ऑल्सो इक्वल बिकॉज AB बाइसेक्ट एंगल A in two equal part. Bisect means two equal part. So we can say this angle is equal to this angle. So we can write down angle of this angle CAB. CAB is equal to the angle of this triangle BAD. Angle BAD. एंगल की बात हो रही है, सो एंगल के लिए यूज करते हैं A. Now AB, this line AB is common in both triangle ABC and ABD. So this side is equal to both triangle. So we can write down AB is equal to AB. This is S. SAS. So by the law of SAS, these triangles are, we can say these triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC congruent with the triangle ABD. And what next? What can you say about BC and BD? BC and BD are equal. BC and BD will be equal because both triangles are congruent. So we can say BC is equal to BD. Question number 3. We will use another law in this question, RHS law. RHS law. We will use this law in two right angle triangle only. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse is same and one side are same. If in two right angle triangle, hypotenuse is same and any one side are same, then we can say the both triangles are congruent with the law of RHS. So look here, AD and BC are equal perpendicular. Equal means we can take this side is equal to this side. perpendicular to a line AB. AD is perpendicular on AB and BC is also perpendicular on AB. Then show that CD bisect AB. Then we have to show this line CD. This line CD is bisect AB. यानी ये जो लाइन है वो इसको बाइसेक्ट कर रही है. Then we have to show OB is equal to OA. Then to show, क्या शो करना है? AO is equal to BO. ये हमको शो करना है. Okay, so let us take two triangle again. This one and the another one. So in triangle OBC, yeah, you can say BOC and the triangle AOD. Both are right angle triangle, so we can use RHS law. One side are equal. And the side of this angle BC is equal to AD. This is S. Okay, and hypotenuse should be same. क्या होना चाहिए? हाइपोटेनस सेम होना चाहिए, तो हम यूज कर सकते हैं RHS लॉ. बट वी आर लुकिंग हियर, दिस इज हाइपोटेनस OD and OC. दिस इज नॉट गिवन दैट OB इज इक्वल टू OC. ये गिवन नहीं है कि ये लाइन इसके इक्वल है. सो वी कैन नॉट यूज RHS लॉ. हम RHS लॉ को यूज नहीं कर सकते. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि इसमें हाइपोटेनस सेम गिवन नहीं है. सो वी कैन यूज अनदर लॉ. नाइंटी डिग्री एंगल A and angle B is equal to 90 degree, and this is A means angle, and one more angle in both triangle. This one will equal to this one. Why? Because Z is here. Z means alternate angle. So we can say angle, you can write down here B and here A, because the side or angle of triangle in this triangle will write on this side, and the side and angle of this triangle will write on this side. And one angle, again angle C, will equal to angle D, and this is A. So we can say the law AAAS. So by the law of AAS, the both triangle are congruent. Triangle A BOC, triangle BOC will congruent with triangle AOD. तो ट्राइंगल ही कॉन्ग्रुएंस हो गए. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस डायरेक्टली. AO is equal to BO. You can write down or take the snapshot.